Ottumwa Parks Department received some good news in its annual campground attendance report. KTVO's Jacqueline Schutte is live in Ottumwa tonight to explain how much more money the campground made this year and why. Jacqueline.
Thanks, John. The Ottumwa Park Campground generated a record-breaking more than $140,000 in revenue in 2014. That is nearly $44,000 higher than ever before. Park officials credit the higher revenue to high attendance in September and October and high customer satisfaction rates.
In every way possible, the campground had a fantastic year. Our campground host did a great job. We had virtually no complaints about anything. It was very busy. We had some great events at the Jimmy Jones Shelter.
Much of the revenue increase can be credited to the move of the Oktoberfest Festival to the Ottumwa Park and the Jimmy Jones Shelter. Officials also say a construction project in Chillicothe meant many workers stayed in the campground for around 3 or 4 months this year. John, back to you.